More than 5 years, they have been kept. And any attempt to go back, some of them were not lucky, they have been killed. Security agencies trained and equipped with weapons, more than 100 of them have been killed since 2017. It is an unfortunate development that we have found ourselves. But I must appreciate all of you for standing with us, your various contributions, some in terms of materials, some in terms of technical knowledge. Every single thing you have contributed is deeply appreciated by this government and the people of the state. We're trusting God. We're not just going to fold our arms. We're working hard, even in terms of trying to see how we can resettle these IDPs and get them back to their ancestral homes. Because in my interaction with the IDPs, including the children, no one wants to live in any of those IDP camps we have. None of them. They have to go back. And for a state that has been known to be a civil service, economy-driven state, but actively supported by peasant farming, and for over 1.5 million people to be in IDP camp, and more than 90% of these people are the peasant farmers, including those children, because we have been brought up in farming communities, and as soon as you're strong to be on your feet after crawling, you begin to practice farming. And so children who go to school, weekends they go to farm. Some even as soon as you return back from school, you still go to farm to support your parents. All these things are no longer going on because of the evil of the present administration that are brought. And even when you attempt to advise them on what you think is best, they say no, you must go their way. I remember that at a point I invited partners there and in civil societies that I wanted to close those camps. And you guided me and advised me against it. And I accepted it. And I don't know what would have happened, because soon after that, others who attempted to go back, they were killed. I don't know how many people would have been killed if we had gone ahead to say we are closing those camps and all that. So it is not really my desire. And I don't desire that anyone should be there. And I have interacted with them, and nobody, from the old, the young, the children, nobody wants to live there. That is where we have found ourselves. And each time you hear about support moving from Abuja to privileged states and homes of people who are part of the challenge, beware. We're here in the hands of God, by government in collaboration with the civil societies here. We go a long way in responding to the crisis that we have. Truly, more than 1.5 million people in IDP camps out of the 7 million estimated population of Benue State. It's a big challenge. So, you're welcome. And look forward in not just presenting this document, but I want to look forward that through all of you, who are very, very passionate about the challenge we have in the state today will also help us to push the content of this response plan to the other part of the world. Once again, thank you very much, and it is my pleasure to formally present the Benue State Humanitarian Response Plan 2022.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.